you mentioned that AI can handle about 80 to 90% of user research tasks, but still requires some human intervention. So, given the rapid evolution of AI, do you believe that researchers will eventually be replaced, or will their roles simply evolve? What will this new role look like in your opinion?
I think it will evolve to a sort of maybe a supervisor, or like a person who needs to translate the AI output to something more tangible, better understood, something that will be actually used to make a decision. Of course, with time, AI will likely get better at it and fewer supervision will be needed. But at the end of the day, we and for probably the foreseeable future won't have generalized, how is it called? The NGI? Oh, the level human intellect AI, which could probably replace humans, but without. Now, the best LLMs still need a prompt, still need to verify, still need to check whether there is no hallucinations. Did you get what you wanted? Does it make sense? Does it help you? There's still lots of questions. But that doesn't mean that AI is useless. No, it can save so much time. And frankly, I wrote this article before the deep research function popped up on OpenAI, which probably would have changed my article. And here, maybe it wouldn't change it too much, because it gives a lot of consultants, like from Big Four or any consultants, if you around for the money, where they need to prove the human value against the AI. But still, time will tell. I think I went too far in the tree of discussion. What will happen with UI researchers? I think we are still in the zone where you can easily say that UI researchers using AI will simply replace those who don't. That's the gist of it. Their role will change to probably being a manager of a set, hundreds, thousands, who knows, AI workers that will do a lot of work for you, that will help scaling the whole process, that will help to put scale. And we no longer will choose between quantitative and qualitative research, but instead we can have a hybrid of both. And imagine if you have AIs that call users and ask them questions in a way that resonates. That doesn't happen in tens or 20 calls, but it happens in 10,000 calls if you only have people to call. And then another AI or the same AI would be able to eliminate any biases, any outliers, and come up with quantitative results that are supplied by qualitative interviews, which is awesome if that could happen. However, it's not as easy as that, of course.